Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a quick picks video for you guys. So yeah, this is going to be on my plastic generation Beyblade. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you a few of their names. And right here, this one right here is and Draciel, a Draciel, no, Master Draciel, Kid Dragoon back there, Master Dragoon right there. That's Trigger. Or yeah, Night Drigger. And another one is dranzer. Then dranzer, frostic dranzer, and then auto change dranzer. Then it's spin dragoon and grip attacker dragoon. And a few others. I'll put the names in the description box below. Definitely look out on there to see all their names. I'm going to number them from 1 all the way down. So yeah. I know I rarely do this, but I'm going to be doing a full-blown tournament. So this is going to be part 1 of 16, 17? Yeah. At least 17, no. Almost 20 videos on this, so full-blown tournaments. This is going to be part 1. No, I think 21 or 22 maybe. But yeah. I'm going to go from this, even though this is from the first season. I'm considering these guys manga based, because they are from 99, 2001, yeah. Yeah, then I'll be doing first season, of course, even though these guys are in it. And some of these guys, actually, I know these guys are in it. Besides Draciel, the original Draciel. And I picked that one myself, so Draciel's out. So yeah, please join this tournament. It's going to be fun for me and for you guys to showcase all these guys in action. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.